Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hi, hello, welcome. Today I have my very first Ipsy unboxing for you guys, or unbagging really, because they come in a bag, right? Yeah, my first Ipsy bag unbagging. If you guys watched my last video, I canceled my BoxyCharm because BoxyCharm was a huge disappointment. And I know Ipsy, a lot of people, I think it's like BoxyCharm, you either love it or hate it, but I thought, why not? Let's try it. So let's open it up. Literally just came in the mail. Have not opened it. So I'm really excited to try a new bag. So this is the bag. This is really cute. It's actually really nice quality. It's very silky and nice. So I was going to show you the inside, but this is the inside. Alright, so inside the bag you have this little card, and the theme is Hotel Paradise. So it says, warm breezes, lush landscapes, major glow this month. Check in to a vacay state of mind. Hello massages and matching mani-pedis. Unwind and go ahead and order your room service. So then they have a little like itinerary that's really cute. Mindful awareness, reconnect with your routine, unwind with bath, and minimize your screen time. And then you can go online and check, I guess you could get to know your glam bag. So that's really cute. So the first product we have here is from Drybar, and it's their Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant. This lasts up to 3 washes, so that's really cool. This is like an anti-frizz product. I'm excited to try this out, considering that it lasts 3 washes, so this will probably last a really long time because I don't really wash my hair like ever. Next we have this Radiance Glow Serum from Aloe. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand before. It is a clean beauty brand, so I'm excited for this. Next is this Bite Beauty Power Move Soft Matte Lipstick in the shade Sugar Buns. Now I do remember picking this. That was what I was confused about. So someone in the comments, can you please tell me what is like Ipsy's choosy thing? I don't know why I was so confused about it. But I like Bite lipsticks. Oh, this is a pretty color. I'm going to use the viewfinder to try it on. That is so pretty. Oh, I like this lipstick. And these smell so good. They smell so stinking good. Next up is this Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter in the shade OMG, I guess. I've only tried a couple of Illamasqua products before. I have, ooh, it's a liquid. Ooh, I've been really liking liquid highlighters. The shade looks really pretty. It's like a champagne. Ooh, I'm excited for this. I've been liking liquid highlighters. I've been using one from Makeup Revolution, and it's like a like a Charlotte Tilbury dupe with the like spongy thing. I love the color, but I hate the applicator, so I'm really excited to try this. And the last product is a Brow Wiz from Anastasia. This is in the shade Medium Brown. Now, I love trying out new products, and obviously I've tried out Brow Wiz a million times. Like, this is the one product that I've tried before. But why on the surveys, when you sign up for these websites, they ask you your hair color, and I always select black, because my hair is black. And then they send me medium brown. So I probably won't use this. I want to see how medium brown, like how dark medium brown is. I feel like it's going to be too brown for me because I typically use a black eyebrow pencil. But worst comes to worst, I will use it. Like, I'm not going to say no to it if it's okay, you know what I mean? So I'm not disappointed with this. I actually really like all the products that I received in this bag. I'm definitely going to use everything, especially the lipstick. It is so pretty, and it is definitely like a soft matte. So I'm really happy with this box. I'm going to keep calling it a box. It's a bag. I'm really happy with this bag. I think all the products are great. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'm not saying I'm like happy because BoxyCharm is disappointing. This is new. Like, I'm happy with all these products, and I'm going to use all of these. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. I would love to hear what you think. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from me. and make sure you follow me on Instagram, and that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time.